Good morning, everyone. My name is Aayush Sharma, and I am a student at Chandigarh University, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering there. And currently, I have just entered my third year, and I was searching for a place to complete my summer training, and I was searching through Google. Then I found Zion Technologies. So Zion Technologies is located in Mohali, and I asked some questions to them, and they cleared my queries. And then my classes started. So the overall experience with Zion Technologies was very good. The trainers were very friendly and they were also very cooperative. They also made sure that the syllabus, or you can say curriculum of the course, went pretty smoothly. Currently, I am in my project work, or you can say I am working on a project that is also going pretty well, and the trainer is also supporting accordingly. So if you are also looking for a place to seek summer training for 6 weeks or maybe longer courses too, you can refer to Zion Technologies. Thank you very much.